Witness a new strata in luxury living and experience a life beyond imagination. Presenting world-class luxurious villa living community, Kiran Canary Forest. A joint venture between Canary Wharf Developments and Kiran Gems. It's a partnership that reflects their proficiency in catering to luxury clients across the globe. Kiran Gems is the world's largest manufacturer of natural diamonds and India's premier diamond heir. They've expanded steadily over time in both India and abroad. Canary Wharf Developments Private Limited is a name synonymous with quality, construction, excellent hospitality and trusted infrastructure development. Their aim is to offer an experience that is at par with the best in the world. Some of their accoladed previous creations include Maharashtra's first private island resort, Canary Islands. They're also the neurons behind the luxurious Canary Farms. After two statement projects comes yet another landmark that redefines lavish living. Now, introducing Kiran Canary Forest near Aamby Valley city. A privileged community featuring two villa types, Eco-Lux Forest and Eco-Lux Nature Villas. Beyond concrete, life amidst a jungle. Beyond boardrooms, in conversation with the birds. Beyond the city home, your pride rock overlooking verdant greens. Beyond everything you've ever seen, heard, felt or lived. Quite simply, a life beyond imagination.
आज की जिंदगी में हम इंसानों ने भारी मात्रा से प्रदूषण भर दिया है। हमारे पास प्रकृति की शुद्ध हवा थी, पानी था, जंगल था, तो हमें विचार आया कि इंसान की जिंदगी में कुछ साल और जोड़े जाओ। इस विचार के साथ हमने एक लग्जरी लाइफस्टाइल शुरू किया जिसका नाम है कैनरी फार्म्स। कैनरी फार्म्स को काफी कम समय में भारी प्यार मिला और देश विदेश से कई लोग इस ब्रांड को जुड़ गए। साल 2019 में दुबई में हुए इंडिया एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड में बेस्ट लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट से सम्मानित किए जाने पर इसे और प्रोत्साहन मिला। कैनरी फार्म अब एक लग्जरी डेस्टिनेशन बन गया है। प्रकृति का सम्मान इस मूल विचार को बांधे रखे और आदरणीय साराश्री के आशीर्वाद से हम किरण कैनरी फॉरेस्ट की नींव रखने जा रहा है। आशा करता हूं इस प्रोजेक्ट को भी कैनरी फार्म जैसा प्यार मिले। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Be enveloped in a host of first world comforts with privileged membership to Aamby Valley city.
Canary Forest Villas exemplify a lifestyle that is among the best in the globe. They are not mere space, they are address that exceed your dreams.
All of this while living in privileged villas that are at the pinnacle of international standard luxury. Nestled amidst the verdant bounty of the picturesque Sahyadri mountains. To add the Midas touch, the villas are overlooking a reserve forest.
We are now launching Canary Forest, which will be an epitome of a luxury living benchmark where people will be enveloped by verdant nature and the hill of Sahyadri.
A gated luxury living community spread over 100 acres of a land parcel in pristine Lonavala. With the first phase spread over 34 acres with 25 forest and nature villas and built over a beautifully landscaped 1 acre plot.
Being the founder and architect of this property, I believe in crafting luxury stays without disturbing the nature. My passion is to create lifestyle amidst the nature and add more years to life. It is my personal promise and commitment in the upcoming project. If sky is the limit, I ensure your footprints in the moon.
1 acre Ecolux Forest Villas. These are built-up villas with 5,000 square feet carpet area that are ensconced amidst a thick foliage of greenery that evokes a rustic jungle feel. Spread over 1 acre land parcel. The villas have a host of vibrant features that accentuate its allure. 1 acre Ecolux Nature Villas. These are built-up villas with 5,000 square feet carpet area that are finished with pine wood and constructed over flat land. Situated amidst an expansive 1 acre land parcel. This is where lavishness assumes a greater definition. To cherish a lifestyle gifted with nature's many treasures, visit our sales office at Kiran Canary Forest. Calling all those who wish to arrive in a holistic space that breathes grandeur. At Kiran Canary Forest, you will experience true bliss with a life beyond imagination.